Citrus 3's main orchid appears seemingly like a foxtail, which is where its common name is derived from. It exudes a very fragrant blend of citrusy floral, and its blooms can last for about 3 weeks. Orchids have grown to be one of the highly sought-after fragrances due to its therapeutic effects. For those who desire to slow down the pace of life, these orchids provide great calming effects by easing stress and anxieties. Since decades ago, orchids have been listed as medicinal ingredients. They encourage better respiratory health and also contain antioxidants for glowing skin. Our choice of fragrances usually reflects our personality. Scent enhancers are ingredients added to create the different variations in the fragrance oil, helping individuals to find a fragrance oil that matches the image they want to portray. We had added pineapple to this fragrance composition to enhance its sweetness. Due to its sweet, fruity, and juicy scent, it helps to portray a lighthearted and playful character and stirs a joyful spirit in us when smelling it. Another ingredient added is cardamom oil, which has a rich, woody, and spicy note. This spice provides a kick to the fragrance composition, arousing a more fragrant aroma. If you would like to improve focus and reduce fatigue in your daily routine, this scent could serve to help you. This spice also provides a warming effect, which helps to clear up congestion and cough, relieving headaches and migraines. The complexity of Citrus 3 will serve as an exquisite addition to your fragrance composition. Kindly note, the scent notes, particularly orchid scent notes, sometimes change due to the soil, temperature, and other variations.